Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Face Unlock on the INFINIX Note Edge. So if you want to unlock your phone with just your face, without having to enter your password or using the Touch ID, I'm going to show you how to do it. And the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, and then scroll down to the password and security section, and then tap on Face Unlock. Now it's going to ask you to log in with your PIN code or the pattern, and if you don't have one on the phone, it's going to ask you to create one. So make sure to do that, because you cannot have a face unlock without the passcode. So after that, we're going to click on Start Recording, and it's going to go through the process where you're going to have to put your face into the frame, and then you're going to just kind of twist your face like this from left to right, and once it's done, you're going to have your face unlock complete. So now let's test it out. If we close our phone and then open it up, as you can see, it's locked, but if I just put my face in front of the screen, it's going to unlock. So let me just do it so it's my face not obstructed, and there we go. As you can see, it's unlocked without me typing in the passcode. And that is pretty much it. It's that easy. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.